Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess Lifestyle. So today I'm doing a full glam on a budget type of situation. I haven't done a full face using budget things only in a very long time. I don't even know if I've ever done it, to be honest. Not everything's from the drugstore because that's just an impossibility for me at the moment. But everything that I'm going to be using in my tutorial today is affordable and none of it is high end. So I am going to be doing start to finish. I need to put my wig on, so we're going to start there, okay? We're going to speed through it. We're going to get it on and we're going to shellac it down. Okay, so this is the wig I'm going to be wearing. It's just a simple wig. I'm going to take a cotton ball and some alcohol and just clean all of the oil off of my hairline. I'm going to be using a new glue that I'm testing right now, so I'm not going to let you guys know what it is, but I am going to be doing a demo and review of this glue, and I'll let you guys know if it's any good. If it's any good, I'm going to be doing a full tutorial of it, probably, I'd say next week. But before that, I'm going to use some hairspray to protect my hairline. Okay, so with this being my very first installment of my 12 Days of Christmas series, I am going to be giving you all some looks. This is going to be full glam. You guys already got my wig situation together with me. So let's move on to the face. I did struggle a little bit with finding things that were like nothing high end. And I'm honestly really struggling with the eye look because I don't know what to do. So since I don't yet have my ideas together for an eye look, we're just gonna do the face. The primer I'm gonna be using today is my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I haven't used this primer in months. So when it comes to primers, anything that's hydrating is a go with me. I like it because it feels hydrating, but it also feels like it's doing some mattification. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Deciem foundations. I haven't used these in a while either. I have 4 shades here: 3.1R, 3.2R, 3.2N, and 3.3N. Because I haven't used these in so long, I really don't remember what the exact combination was that I used to get my right shade. We're going to have to work together on this, okay? To start, I'm going to mix 1 pump of 3.2N in 1 pump of 3.3N. Unfortunately, their shade range is, as you can see, not very good. Always shake your foundations before you use them, unless they're cream. I mean, if they're cream, you never know what could happen. I say shake everything before you use it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because my undertone is more on the neutral side than it is on the cool side. And now that I'm seeing 3.2N, you guys can see that, I'm gonna put half a pump of 3.3N. Now we can give the foundation a whirl. Pretty good match. I think I might need to lighten it up a bit. There we go. That's looking more like me. All right, foundation is on. Let's highlight, okay? Because I still don't know what to do for an eye look. Oh my gosh, I'm so sore. Ooh. Everything hurts. Okay, so the concealers that I'll be using are from Sephora. These are the Bright Future Gel Concealers in the shades Dulce de Leche and Toffee. To contour, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F18 video. Okay. I'm gonna be setting my entire face, except for the contoured areas, with my Lancome 540 Suede powder. So moving on to the eyes, I am going to prime my lids with my MAC Pro Longwear primer. My MAC Pro Longwear concealer. So I'm going to be going into 2 palettes. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'll be honest with you, I don't really have affordable palettes. I haven't really come in contact with any. So if any of you guys have suggestions on an affordable palette that I should pick up, drop them in the comments. I'm going to press this down first. Back and press first. I'm just gonna blend for my life. Gonna blend out the harsh edges. And with that same brush you were using to blend stuff out, take Sandalwood from the Remastered palette. Further blend the top. Only the top. Take Man Eater from the Rose Gold Remastered palette. Okay, and we're just gonna do the same thing. Blend out the harsh edges. I'm gonna take the shade Pink Diamonds and I'm gonna see what that looks like on my lid. Oh, it's soft. Ew. That's really, really pretty. You know what? Let me get some Fist Plus. Hey. I like that. To make sure nothing's chunky and choppy. I'm gonna take the dark purple shade Risque and I'm gonna put that in my crease and see what happens. Okay. That purplified it. More purpley. The lashes that I'm going to be using are from Icon Lashes, and I'm going to be using the style High Tea. If you want to get 35% off these lashes that are absolutely gorgeous, use code PRINCESS at checkout. I'm going to be using these highlighters from Wet n Wild. Super duper inexpensive. They're from the drugstore. This lighter one called Precious Petals is really beautiful. It's really gorgeous. And it's only a few bucks. Just giving you a holiday feel. All right, you guys, we are finished. This is the completed look. Oh wait, I didn't even put finishing spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really like it. I think this is a good holiday situation with the hair and the makeup and the lip and the eyes. Can you guys get into the eyes really quick? I really like it, and I was just staring directly into one of my lights and now I can't see anything. I'm sure I look good though. So yeah, that's it. That is the final look. This is day 1 of my 12 days of Christmas. If you like the look, like the video. If you love the look, like the video. If you want to see more looks from me, like the video. If you have any suggestions for a video that you want to see for my 12 days of Christmas, comment them down below. And yeah, get into this look. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.